Now anybody can turn these simple and boring videos into animated videos in just one click with the help of AI. Doesn't matter you're on a desktop or on a mobile phone, this will work for all of your devices. All you have to do is upload your video, enter the style name that you want to apply on your video, and boom, you have the animated video. So if you're excited for this, I'm gonna show you 2 AI tools that you can use to make these animations. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, so the first tool that we're gonna use is called Unboring AI. Simply go to this URL reface.ai/unboring, and you can see we have a couple of options over here like face swap, animate, image restyle, and video restyle. Because we want to restyle our video, so I'm gonna select this video restyle option. And now you will have the option to upload your video. So simply click on that upload video and select the video from your device that you want to animate. So let's say I'm gonna select this video and hit OK, and it can take some time to upload your video. Okay, so our video is uploaded, and now we have to select the area where we want to apply the animation. So let's say I want to apply the animation to this area. So simply adjust the sliders. And on the right side, you can see we have multiple styles like anime style, cartoon style, Lego, manga style, and this is a complete list of style that you can apply on your video. So let's say I want to apply this manga style, so I'm gonna select this manga style and simply hit restyle, and now your video is being animated into this manga style. So this process can take a couple of minutes, so see you after the results. Okay, so these are the results, and I would say the video is not as good as we expected. But don't worry about that, we also have another option to get some good results, as you saw in the beginning of this video. And this leads to our second AI tool, which is totally free to use. So this AI tool is available on Hugging Face, and this is called Pix-to-Pix Video. So this is a diffusion based model, but in easy and simple way. So you can see we have the space to enter our prompt, and we also have few settings that I'm gonna explain later in the video. But for now, simply upload the video that you want to convert into animation. So let's say I'm gonna select this video. The reason I selected this video, you can see we have a lot of movement in this video. The lady is moving, her hands are moving, and also the smoke is covering her face. And this could be a complicated video for this tool. And let's see how does it perform with this video. So in the prompt section, we have to enter the style that we want to apply on our video. So let's say I want to apply the anime style. So I'm gonna type anime style. You can even select any other style. And next we have the seed values. So seed values are like the recipe of making your video. So your seed values actually tells the AI what kind of video you want. So you can move the slider and it will give you some random seed values. And if you want to enter your own seed values, you also have that option. And next we have the slider to choose how many seconds of your video you want to animate. So we have a limit of maximum 5 seconds. So I'm gonna select 5 seconds and now simply hit generate. So it can take almost 200 seconds to generate our video, but the generation time also depends on the length of your video. So see you after the results. Okay, so these are the output results, and this is looking much better than our previous tool. Let me show you in the wide screen. And now you can see how smooth this video is. So if I compare both of these videos side by side, you can see this is as smooth as our input video, and the main thing that our character is consistent. So that's how you guys can turn your simple videos into animated videos in just one click with the help of AI. So that's it from this video, and if you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.